Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Stuck in Loops Crochets. In this tutorial we will learn how to crochet this ruffle heart. You can customize this as a keychain or turn this into a hair clip as well, or use it in any other crochet project. So let's get started. For this project I am using 3-ply acrylic yarn in yellow and white color, 3 mm crochet hook, darning needle. So let's get started. We will start by making magic ring. For that, take your yarn, wrap it around your finger. It will form a cross. Now insert your hook, pull through. Now we will chain 1 to secure the magic circle. For that, yarn over, pull through the loop. We have made our magic ring. Now we will make chain 3. For that, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is our first chain. Again yarn over, pull through. This is our second chain. Yarn over, pull through. This is our third chain. Now we will make 3 triple crochet in this magic ring. For that, yarn over twice. Insert your hook in the magic circle, pull through. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Now again pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is our first triple crochet. We will make 2 more. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull through. Now pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the remaining loops. We will make 1 more triple crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through the remaining 2 loops. We are done making our triple crochet. Now we will make 3 double crochet in this magic circle. For that, yarn over, insert your hook in the magic ring, pull through. Now we have 3 loops in our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. We will make 2 more double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in the loop, pull through. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. We will make 1 more double crochet in this magic circle. Insert your hook, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. We are done making 3 double crochet in this magic circle. Now we will make chain 1. For that, yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we will again make 1 triple crochet in this magic circle. For that, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the magic ring, pull through. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now again chain 1. We will make 3 double crochet in this magic circle. Yarn over once, insert your hook in the magic ring, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. Now we have to make 2 more double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops. 1 last double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in the magic ring, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Now we will make 3 triple crochet in this magic ring. For that, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the magic ring, pull through. Now we have 4 loops in our hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now we will make 2 more triple crochets, pull through 2, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, 1 more triple crochet. We are done making 3 triple crochet in this magic ring. Now we will chain 4, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is our first chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the loop 3, yarn over, pull through the loop 4. We are done making chain 4. Now we will slip stitch into the magic ring. For that, insert your hook in the magic ring, pull through. We have 2 loops in our hook. Now pull through the loop. This is our slip stitch. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through, pull a long tail. Now pull this tail to close the magic ring. Cut the excess yarn. Now we will weave in the ends. First tie this 2 yarn together. Cut off the excess yarn. Now we will start with the ruffle part. For that I am using white color yarn. Now we will make a slip knot. For that, take your yarn, wrap it around your finger, insert your hook, pull through this loop. Now tighten this loop. This is our slip knot. Now we will insert our hook in the first chain 1 stitch, but we will make ruffle in the outer part only. So we will ignore these front loops. Insert your hook in the back loop of chain 1, attach the slip knot, tighten it a bit, pull through. Now chain 1, now we will make one slip stitch in the next stitch. Insert your hook in the second stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now pull through the loop. This is our slip knot. Now yarn over, pull through the loop. This is our chain 1. We will repeat this process until the end of this round. Insert your hook in the back loop, pull through the loop, chain 1. Now slip stitch in the next stitch. Insert your hook, pull through the loop, chain 1. Insert your hook, pull through, now pull through the loop, chain 1. We will just make one slip stitch and chain 1, then again slip stitch in the next stitch. Pull through, chain 1, insert your hook, pull through the loop. Now chain 1. Just be sure you don't forget any stitches. Insert your hook, pull through the loop, chain 1. Insert your hook in the back loop, pull through the loop, chain 1. We are almost at the end. Now we will make 2 more slip stitches. Chain 1, one more slip stitch in the first chain, chain 1. Now we will make one slip stitch in this first chain here. Insert your hook, pull through the loop. Now chain 1 and cut off the excess yarn. Now we are done adding ruffles to this heart. Now we will weave in the ends. with the help of darning needle. Cut off the excess yarn. Our ruffle heart is ready. You can customize this in any color of your choice. This is a quick and beginner friendly tutorial. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and you can also tag us in your creations. Until then, bye bye, happy crocheting.